Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Lily and this is my neighbor,
Abigail.
And she hasn't been on my channel yet. She's weird like that. So she has this mermaid slime.
My mother got me that, and it came in a separate bag that it has like these. It was tiny, like really tiny, hard
They're like
balls,
Orbeez.
and the Orbeez be set. Like you have to put this. The slime came in it already made, so
like this
all
is
we
what
had
these
to-
look like.
and all we had to do is just put those
Orbeez
in
things
the,
in it.
and then it would turn to like Orbeez, because
So-
they're all Orbeez.
We're just really bored, so we decided, and we wanted to play a slime, so we decided to make a YouTube video. So we're gonna split this evenly between us. I'm gonna pour it all out, that way I can show you guys it first.
Yeah.
It's not wanting to come out.
There's so much. Like
Yeah. It doesn't
it just
look like that much.
folded.
Okay, that's it. So this is like the color of it. Let me turn it around. This is like what it looks like. And then these are like the little beads in it. They're like Orbeez, but they're like really hard to smash. There's half of one.
I smashed one.
Nick, no,
That one.
wait.
You should see.
We will. So I have this little container.
And
Whoa. I have this container from KFC.
I have that was on my back porch
Yeah,
from
it's
KFC.
from KFC.
And I have this one probably from either Roma or KFC for chicken balls or fries.
I
It
think
just
that was
wouldn't
from
die off.
What's it called? Pates. Like how you get. Yeah, because how you get the like broccoli salad or whatever, or from the Giant. So we
Yeah.
split this evenly.
That's not even. It's a
Yes, it is. Your container is bigger than mine, so it looks like that you have less. It's like a jiggly slime, sort of.
Yeah, and it's mermaid slime. And you
Yeah.
can tell, I didn't know if there was slime in her or not. And I read this and I still didn't believe, and it says,
Magic growing slime. Because like the magic growing is like these little
like the Orbeez. It says mermaid pearl
things.
magic glowing slime. And there is green, which I didn't believe that until like I shook it and it sounded like slime, but like something in it, but I didn't really think it was. And I went like, and how I thought I opened it as like that. My pap
Like she
tried
thought
that,
you just pulled it off, but
Yeah,
it's actually a twist off.
and my pap like tried to pull it off, but my pap went like that, and then it actually twisted off. Like I don't know what to do. There's an Orbeez.
Here, you can have it. I don't like the beads. They always fall out.
Lily hates the beads.
I don't hate them. I don't like them.
I'm gonna take it away.
I don't hate them. I just don't like them.
Yeah.
Here, move over. You're at the end.
And we decided to make a YouTube video about slime.
I already said that.
Well,
As you can see.
us playing with slime. See, look.
I'm trying to make it like how Flirt Putty is. Abby, sit down. Like how farts or whatever. I'm trying to do that.
And and
That was her.
no, that was actually the slime. And because it is Friday,
Yes.
And
but
we're
it's
supposed
an
to
Act
be-
80 day.
and we were supposed to be in school.
No, it's an Act 80 day.
We're supposed to be in school today, except it's an Act 80 day.
Then you're
so
not supposed to be in school, you stupid.
And we
It's all over my fingers.
and I was outside and I seen a couple of school buses run with children in it,
They're
and it
probably
was
From
it-
Altoona or somewhere like that.
like
Or like a club.
because like it was not kindergartners, it was like high numbers, and we're gonna make a video of the slime today, and we're gonna
As you can see.
yeah, as you can see, and maybe tomorrow,
Or maybe today, later on. But it's
like
starting.
later on, maybe at the end of the video, we can like put our fingers there, and then like maybe like we can like play with like make funny videos.
Sure. So
Yeah,
I
so-
like just watching it. Here, wait.
No, this is is this the Orby that just went?
I like to watch it do this. It's not coming out. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like it's supposed to come out. Like it's supposed to come out itself. It's supposed to come out itself. But it's supposed to come out itself, but it won't work. And plus, comment down below if you think me and Lily should make a
Or like what type
Like
of videos
make-
we should do.
yeah, and comment down below also if you think me and Lily should make a bubble out of this, and comment down below if you think we can make a bubble down below. Yeah, do it.
Do it, but I don't think we'll make it. And Orby just flung out of mine into hers.
Yeah. Okay, okay, you guys have commented that we should.
We can go live. We can go live. We'll do that later. You don't know what live means? It's like a video, but it's happening like right now instead of like when it happened. I don't know. If you guys have a way of describing that down below, I'm not good at describing things.
Just describe down below. And then maybe at the end of the video, we can put a tiny part there of you comment down below making.
There's rice in this. We had rice earlier. and there's
For
rice.
supper.
Oh wait.
We
Yeah,
just-
look. There's rice.
Ew! I just got this today.
Exactly. We had rice earlier. Your hands are cold. Mine aren't that cold.
That's because mine are always.
She's 4 years younger than me, and you can do the math. I'm 12. 12 minus 4 is. How old are you?
8.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
It won't stay still. I promise. If you
It's jiggly slime, no dip. Look,
you
this is not good jiggly slime. If good jiggly slime, you're supposed to do this, and it connects. But this stuff.
and plus, if you guys are wondering where my mother got me this today,
Walmart.
you can get it at Walmart. Back in the toy aisle.
Or like the craft aisle, they have like things to make slime, and like gallons of glue that says for slime doesn't work as well as the regular Elmer's glue. Just saying that.
How do you know?
Because my cousin tried it. My
Yeah?
cousin has like, Destiny. She has like 1,000 slimes. She's probably watching this, so hey.
Hi Destiny and hi Cassie if you are.
Hey, you remember her name. She
Yeah.
normally forgets their names.
Yeah, I seen Destiny at Walmart. So if you're watching this, Destiny, I
Hello.
just want to say hello, and Cassie, you too,
And-
hello.
You guys need to come to my house soon. Which Destiny might come soon.
Destiny,
We
mate.
talked about it Thursday. In school.
What you guys?
Yeah, we have homeroom together, first period together, 5th and 6th period together.
Thank you.
She's my cousin. What do you expect? We're in the same grade. She's older than me because she was born in December
Hopefully
of
Dominic
2016.
goes-
Oh my God! Shut up. And Dominic's her crush. Wait, what's his last name?
Dominic Bonson.
Dominic Bonson. If you're watching this, she likes you.
No! No, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
She also likes Jake Kratzer.
I like Jake Paul. Papa Jake and Jake Paul if you're watching.
Papa Jake.
Papa Jake and Jake Paul. If you
I
are
know 0
watching
people who watch him. I don't like him.
It's every day, boy. With the
That's Jake Paul, not Papa.
I'm talking about sport. Hey, yo, this is Papa Jake Slime.
Box
If you
Fort,
want to be a
baby.
box out, baby.
Is it bad? I know that song, even though I hate that guy. Okay, this is my video. Hey guys.
Hi.
Nope.
Hi.
My channel. I almost knocked her off the bench. Oh my God. Actually, let's have it like that so you guys can see the slime. Just, Abigail, your side, my side. I get bigger side. Okay, stop being stupid.
Hi.
No.
Okay, I think me and Yulia should do a bubble. I'm gonna do a bubble. You guys comment down below. Like, if she does a bubble too, comment down below whose bubble is the best.
I'll try and make. There's another piece of rice in this.
I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I know. We're sorry if we're talking too loud or
Maybe, let's just shut up for a little bit.
yeah. Okay, we're shutting up now.
Oh, okay. We're gonna do the quiet game. Whoever talks first
Loses.
yeah. 3. Like if you have to sniff or cough or burp or something, that doesn't count. Shut up. You don't have to do that. I'm always like this. Not always. Sometimes I'm nice.
Yeah, no. Me too.
You're always nice. Unless it's to your sister or your mom. But so oh yeah, quiet challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. Pause. That's pause. This is. Comment down below if you guys know. I think this is pause. But we have to try and make each other laugh while doing the quiet game. So like you can't make any noises, and if you make the other person laugh, they lose the try not to laugh game and the quiet challenge. Give me your slime.
No, hey.
She lost. Hey, you got more. Okay, now we're.
Okay, now we're doing it.
Okay, who wants to try and make the other person laugh first? Do you want to try and make me laugh?
Yeah.
Okay. We can smile, but if we laugh, we lose.
Yeah.
Pause.
Just saying that. And if you make yourself laugh, that you're still in. Yeah, like you're still in. You just have to make sure that you make the other person laugh. That's all you gotta do. Thank you. I ain't just walking on you. Question, do you know any how to make Lily laugh? Please help me. Okay. Looking into the mirror and dancing. shaking her booty.
What?
You are.
for dominant.
Right, you not. I don't.
Crap, I paused. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I was doing. My hair needs a bath. I meant needs wash because we were outside all day, basically.
Yeah.
We're like riding. We went like and rode bike down her driveway for a little bit, and then we went down out back and rode bike with my brother.
I'm done trying to make you laugh. You can try to make me laugh now.
I look weird like this.
You can try to make me
Okay, first of all, I was doing a music TikTok dance. I wasn't shaking my butt.
laugh. Oh, I thought she was. Sorry, guys. Lying.
Comment down below what sound that's from if you have TikTok.
TikTok toy.
No, what? Okay, you can't talk, and I'm trying to make you laugh. It's easy to make her laugh most of the time. And we can do anything to each other. Anything. She didn't even think to tickle me. That's why I was telling my brother not to help her. My hair tie. My hair tie. My face just got bright red. Hey! I'm gonna go get my laptop and just put on Try Not to Laugh video. She's gonna fail. We should do that.
No.
I won! She laughed and talked.
Then I.
Holy crap.
Okay, let's do that thing that you said.
Go get my laptop, put on Try Not to Laugh videos.
I don't know. Yeah.
While playing with slime.
Yeah.
Don't touch my slime, I'll kill you.
Extreme.
Okay. I need to get my laptop first.
Okay.
There's slime all over my hands.
Yeah. And just to give you a heads up, and I didn't say this in the first place, but don't like squish it in your hands, because I'll show you what happens. Like if you do this and stuff, you're not gonna have that much there, because look, like, ew, like it's gross. But once you like start playing with it like this, it does get better on like non-stick.
If you guys hear any noises over here, I'm getting my laptop.
Yep, and her laptop is like huge, like
That's a normal size laptop. What are you talking about?
I never seen that like big. And plus my hands are like this.
She has a computer at her house, and me and my brother share a laptop. He yells at me when I take it to my room.
Why?
Because
Why does your laptop have to be plugged into the wall?
I don't know. Because the battery, it doesn't have to, but the battery drains really fast.
Like if we don't have it plugged in.
Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Ouch.
And plus this is a bench and it is really hard. Like it hurts when you get in. Like if you don't pay attention, there are sharp edges.
So I'm gonna turn it this way so that she can see it. And then if we think, comment down below if you guys want us to do a whole video of Try Not to Laugh, where we like show you the video that we're watching or something.
Yeah, cause like FGTV and
Dan
TDM and Father on some videos, Ryden and Andy, they done like this extreme Try Not to Laugh challenge, and they showed us the picture, and they put like you guys on one side, and then but they're watching on the other side.
Yeah. So we might do that.
Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna.
I'll just film it. So I'm turning on my computer now. It takes a while to start. I don't think it works. Because it was updating the other day and it took a really long time to update.
What's updating?
I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, for the
Explain it down below. Actually, we can just search it.
nah.
Okay.
Okay, since we're just waiting for the computer to load, we will just be quiet and just play with the slime.
Or I don't like being quiet. I can't go 5 minutes without being quiet. Just ask Abby. It's true, huh?
I can go without talking 5 minutes.
You can. Yeah, and then after I tell her to be quiet for 5 seconds, she counts 5 seconds and be like, okay, done. You did that once, do you remember? And one time I told her to wait a second. I came outside like 2 minutes later. She said, that was longer than a second. I've done that to her before. I do it to everyone. When my mom says, wait a minute, I stand there and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And up all the way up to 60. Take it.
And chicken just popped up on the back.
Chicken nuggets. My brother won't let me change the background. It's freaking chicken nuggets.
There's Roblox?
We're not playing it.
I don't like you. I have it on my tablet, on my app.
I have it on my
On
phone
my
and
Apple.
on my laptop. I like to do obvious.
Why did you put Harley Quinn on there? I read that.
What?
It says Harley Quinn.
Where?
On my iPad, Apple. What's that?
What says Harley? I texted you earlier. You didn't answer me.
Well, yeah, because my iPad was dead.
I'm surprised you didn't see that, Abby. Comment down below if you guys saw that. I don't know where it went.
It's in my slime.
Do not get it on my laptop, Abby. I will kill you. Comment, I hate Dan TDM. Comment down below
I have a question.
if he was drowning, would you save him? I wouldn't. I'd let
I
him drown.
would. I wouldn't let him die.
I don't like him.
He's
freaking-
cute.
What does he have? Freaking purple hair now? He does it every day.
His hair is blue.
It used to be red and then it was green.
And his hair goes like that. And then blue.
She likes everybody.
I have a crush on all.
You like my brother, my other brother. She likes 3 of my brothers. The other one you never met. You like Jacob. You like Dominic. Hey, Ginger's out. Ginger's our neighbor's dog. She's behind the car. She's behind the car. No doubt you can't see her. Sit down.
Oh.
If you see me scratching your ear, it's because I have a pimple and it's annoying. I'm just gonna cover it up. Ew.
Oh yeah, I
Some
see him
people
now.
can't look at pinkies like that, can you? Some people think it's gross. I'll probably stop because there's probably some people watching. My friends say this is gross. Oh, when I go like... Fuck good. You have to tilt your head. I don't. I can make it look like it. See, it looks like I don't have an arm. Doesn't it?
I can make myself do it too.
I don't have an arm.
I don't have an arm too. See, I only have one arm. My arm is like...
I can see it.
See, I have no arm.
You can see.
Okay, I put on my mermaid's smiley way.
Comment down below if you guys have pimples.
I have pimples on my face because I don't
We're
wash
watching
it.
this one, Fortnite memes.
Oh my god. And plus I have a Fortnite short because I'm in love with Fortnite.
You never play it. We don't even have a PS4 or an Xbox.
I can download it on my Apple iPad.
Yeah, but it uses your data, even if you're not on it. That's why I deleted it. I remember that. I forget what it's called, but I remember that. Comment down below if you guys remember either of these from Fortnite. I remember this one. I don't remember that. I remember this. I forget what it's called.
Where did exactly your
Yeah.
bounce go?
To pick up my sister from track.
Is it like a long way?
To high school.
Is that a long way?
You know where Casey Park is?
Yeah.
It's there. So, I guess this is how the video is starting out.
Oh yeah, I've
Why is there no sound?